Strategies for investing safely and securely. Now that you know which cryptocurrency to choose, it's time to get ready to invest. Before you do, it's important to follow a few safety and security strategies to ensure that your investment is safe. Avoid overextending yourself. As with any investment strategy, it's important to avoid overextending yourself. Do not invest more than you are willing to lose, and always put money into cryptocurrency that you can afford to lose. Do your research. Before you invest in any cryptocurrency, make sure you do your research. Find out what others think about the coin, discover its strengths and weaknesses, and learn about the company behind the currency. You'll be less likely to make an impulsive decision if you've done your research first. Get ready to wait. Finally, remember that cryptocurrency is a long-term investment. It's easy to get impatient when you first start investing in cryptocurrency, but remember that you need to give it time. Cryptocurrency is volatile, and it can take a while before you start to see any real returns.